Hello, 3D printing tip number 3. For a long time I used to just design the threads into the holes, and that works. You know, you can screw machine screws into your plastic if you print or design the Infusion 360. You design the threads into the hole, but then I found these threaded brass inserts, and these work great. And now I'm gonna show you how you insert them into the plastic. First of all, these things are for M4 screws, and you can get these in different sizes in all kinds of lengths and for all kinds of machine screws. But this is 514 is the outer diameter. I think its nominal might be 520 or something. And the length of this thing is 4.1 about. And I have a 5mm wall thickness, which is pretty common, so I find these very practical. And I'm just going to use a soldering iron to push these in place. This plastic is ABS, so the real diameter of the hole is actually a little bit smaller than 5, I guess. Let's see what it is. It's actually 4.5 when printed in ABS. So these will fit pretty well. You want the hole to be a little bit smaller so that it'll like melt the plastic and be really tight, really tight. Okay, I have to put that thing on. Let's wait for a while for the iron to heat up. This is actually a pretty good cheap soldering iron. Atten is the brand. I also have a rework gun here, which is good for getting white prints. I did another video on how to get white marks of your ABS prints. I'll show it here too. So this is not just a small print. Let's see it. This one has some white marks in it, as you can see. So you just blow hot air like that, and the white marks are gone. Now your black prints are beautiful again. Anyways, that was a side step. So I highly recommend this Atten 8502D soldering station. You get both. You get the iron, and then you get the heat gun, which has a lot of use, like heating up heat shrink wraps or whatever. Anyways, down to the business. Just place the threaded insert there. I have to concentrate and get this, I think, this way. Yes, that's the right hole. Just heat it up and push it in. Oh shit, now it got stuck to the iron. This may happen. Let's try another one. If you push too hard, it will stick to the iron. So I just push gently. There it goes. Now the inserts are in, and now it's just a matter of screwing the screws in place. So screw into the hole. And these hold pretty well. I haven't actually tried yet, you know, how much force does it take to get one of these out. But the bigger they are, the stronger they hold, and the longer they are, the stronger they hold. But I think this M4 size, or at least in my case, this M4 4mm size seems to be my go-to choice, because it fits into thin walls. 1.4, 1.5 millimeters might be a common wall thickness, so this is good. But I ordered some thicker ones and for bigger screws, because I think I will end up needing them too. There's one more, just like that. This is actually going to be a bracket for my digital drum set to hold an amplifier, if you're interested in what I'm building. I think I might do a separate video on that. Anyways, the amplifier is going to be held in there, and I have inserts there too. That's it. See you next time.